In SAP Commerce, master data refers to the core data that is used to manage and operate the system. This includes data about products, customers, orders, and more. Master data can be created directly in SAP Commerce or imported from external data sources, such as an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system or a digital asset management (DAM) system. In the next module, we will be discussing SAP Commerce integration and how master data can be imported from external systems. Once the data is in SAP Commerce, it can be pushed to the Product Catalog Management (PCM) module, where it can be used to display and edit products. The products can then be displayed through various channels, including online channels or offline channels, such as printed catalogs or flyers. After discussing the PCM module, we will move on to the Web Content Management System (WCMS) module, which is used to manage and publish web content. The WCMS module allows you to create and manage content for your website, such as pages, articles, and products. We will be discussing the features and functionality of the WCMS module in more detail. In SAP Commerce, a catalog is a group of objects that can be organized and structured in various ways. In the context of products, a catalog is used to group and organize products and categories. Within a product catalog, there are two common subgroups: the staged version and the online version. The staged version is used by the Product Catalog Management (PCM) team as a draft version to prepare the data. Once the data is ready, it can be published or synchronized to the online catalog version, which is linked to the website and is displayed to end users. The catalog version has a hierarchy of catalogs containing products. The products are the basic elements of a catalog and correspond to stock keeping units, SKUs, which are the smallest units that can be purchased. In the next slide, we will be discussing more about the structure and organization of products within a catalog. In SAP Commerce, categories are used to organize and structure products within a catalog. Categories can have multiple parent categories and can also hold multiple child categories, creating a many-to-many relationship. This means that a category can be a child of multiple parent categories and a parent of multiple child categories. Categories can also hold multiple products, and a product can be assigned to multiple categories. This creates a many-to-many relationship between categories and products. In this example, the product P6 is assigned to category C4 and also category C5. This product will be displayed when browsing either of those categories on the website. Similarly, if a category has multiple products, all of those products will be displayed when browsing that category on the website. Synchronization in SAP Commerce is the process of copying content from a source to a target catalog version. This process can be applied to both product and content catalogs and is used to keep the data in different catalog versions up to date. Synchronization is a unidirectional process, meaning that data is only copied from the source to the target and not the other way around. Synchronization can be performed manually or automatically using a cron job. In the product catalog, you can synchronize a single product, a category, or an entire catalog version. This allows you to selectively update specific parts of the catalog or synchronize the entire catalog all at once. In the single commerce catalog, a single catalog is used to store and organize products and categories. The staged version of the catalog is accessible to internal users, such as employees, and can be used to make updates and changes to the catalog. The changes made in the staged version are then synchronized with the online version, which is visible to end users. Synchronization can be performed on a single item, a single category, or the entire catalog at once. This allows for a degree of flexibility in how updates are made to the catalog and allows the internal users to control when the updates are made visible to end users. It is important to note that both versions share the same database and there is no complete separation between the backend, the staged version, and frontend, the online version. This means that any updates made to the catalog in the staged version will affect the online version. It's also important to consider the impact of running cron jobs during the day, as this can lead to increased database activity and the need for cache invalidation. This can affect the performance of the system and should be taken into account when scheduling cron jobs and making updates to the catalogue. In this scenario, SAP Hybris Commerce is using a